Natural homemade night creams for youthful skin. Wrinkles are an inevitable sign that we are starting to age. It is when our skin starts to lose elasticity and the youthful glow. Even though we can't avoid appearance of wrinkles, we sure can do something to suppress the intensity of their appearance using various cosmetic products. Cosmetic products that are labeled as anti-aging can be effective, but the skin will fast get used to it, and the effect will start to fade. Night creams. You can also prepare completely natural face creams that you can use regularly and will prevent aging and reduce its effects. Olive oil cream. To prepare this cream you need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of Vaseline. Melt the Vaseline in a pot above boiling water. Then remove from heat and add the other ingredients. Mix well for few minutes until you get well homogenized mixture. Store in a container made of glass. Apply the cream by massaging it in on your face. Your skin will need more time to absorb the cream, so apply it on 2 hours before you go to sleep. Remove the excess amounts with cotton pads soaked in mineral water. Keep the cream in a fridge and use it only as night cream. Coconut oil cream. Put 1/5 of coconut oil and 2 drops of frankincense essential oil on your palm and mix them all well. Apply on your face in slow massaging movements. Make sure you apply it on clean and dry skin. It will suit well on the area around the eyes. Apply it 2 hours before you go to sleep because your skin will need more time to absorb it. You can make bigger amount of the cream and keep it in a fridge in a glass container. Make sure the ratio of ingredients is correct. This cream has natural lifting effect and is perfect for wrinkles. The soothing effect of frankincense oil will also reduce tension, headaches, and insomnia. Honey cream. To prepare this cream you need 1 tablespoon of organic honey, 8 tablespoons of grated beeswax, 200 ml almond oil, 1/2 cup rose water. Melt the honey and beeswax, add the almond oil. When it is all well melted and mixed in, remove from the heat. Add the rose water drop by drop and warm cream, mixing it all in. Store it in glass containers and cover them when it is completely cold. You can use it as your anti-wrinkle cream or as a lotion for removing makeup.